What's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing y'all how to dice stack. Dice stacking might seem hard, but it's not. And if you haven't seen dice stacking, I'll show you. Now, let me show you what you'll need. You'll need a cup. Make sure it is straight, not curved like a cup. So this is a slime cup. Usually a lot of slime cups are straight, or you could use a Play-Doh cup too. So you also need some dice. I'm using 3. It doesn't matter what dice you use, small, big. Just make sure you have at least 3. At least 3. Or 2, at least 2. Okay, so now I'm going to show y'all how to dice stack. The first step is you want to go like this. Practice this hand motion. Back and left, left, right, left, right. Second step is you want to do this, but go like this. Slide right to left, left to right, left to right, left to right. Like that. Now, the third step is you want to get your dice for this. So you can set it up like this in a line this way, or you can set it up in a line this way. So now, once you got this hand motion down, you want to go like this. So now that you got this, how are you going to make it stack? Well, you go like this. You go boom, pick up the dice, keep going like this for about 2 seconds, and then let it go down like this, and then go bam. Wow. Now, I hope this video has helped you learn how to dice stack, and see you in the next video. Bye.